Namaste everybody, warm welcome to you all. So you must have got the idea that where we are heading towards. Yes, so this is Hindu temple video. I will be putting all the details that how our visit was today on the special occasion of a new year. Yes, it is 1st January 2024. So we first went to Gurudwara Sahib and then we took darshan, had a yummy langar there, and then now we are heading towards Hindu temple. So Hindu temple and Gurudwara Sahib are just located besides each other. They are not very far. So this what you can see behind in the screen is Gurudwara Sahib, and the white building which you can see just besides it is Hindu temple. And you can see the crowd is quite well managed here. The roads are quite clear, no traffic, because they have kept this Gurudwara Sahib's gate number 1 closed, and we were entering in Gurudwara Sahib from gate number 2. So yes, you can see that video also. I will be putting the video link in I button and description below. So come on, let's start with the Hindu temple visit. And look at this beautiful, blissful building in front of you. And yes, the crowd was too much because obviously it was 1st January and everybody wanted to take darshan. So let's go inside and see how the decoration is today, and let's take Papa's blessings and start our video. As you all must be aware that Bur Dubai temple is closed now, but Srinathji temple in Bur Dubai will stay open. And the timings there for Haveli Darshan in Dubai is from 10 AM to 6:30 PM. So come on, let's start with the Hindu temple entrance. So after entering, there was quite a big line, and you can see up also the crowd was there and everybody was going in a line. So come on, we will move ahead and you can enjoy the video. I will leave it raw so that you can get the feel of the temple here. Enjoy the video, friends. See you all after some time. There are so many videos going on YouTube about the Bur Dubai temple. Since it is closed, so many devotees are heartbroken, and you can see the videos and you can literally feel how sad the atmosphere is there, And yeah, so next year all the crowd from the Bur Dubai is going to come here to take darshan, since they have moved the whole Bur Dubai temple to Jebel Ali area. And the reason is for the safety reasons, because there were so many devotees coming there to take darshan, and it was difficult to manage the crowd over there. Since you all know, Bur Dubai is quite compact, and compared to this temple which is newly built, in fact this was inaugurated last year on 5th of October 2022, and the area is also quite big. So yes, it will take some time for all of us to accept it, and that the Bur Dubai temple is closed. But yes, few temples, like as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, that Srinathji temple will be open there, but other Gurudwara in Bur Dubai and the Shivji temple and other Bapas will be coming to this Jebel Ali temple. So I hope, friends, we all get the strength to accept the fact. And yes, this temple is also very beautiful, and yeah, it was quite well managed. I think there was some management company. You can see the guards over there. So the only thing I felt here was they were not very polite. So to have that, or the feeling to be here in the temple, it should be a little bit of polite should be there. Devotees should be allowed to take darshan in a peaceful manner. And yeah, it was New Year, so that's the only thing which I missed over here. Otherwise, look at this beautiful Appa Murtis. They were looking so nice, and they are all crafted in marble. All you can see, they are studded with gold and diamond ornaments, and the garlands you can see, these are fresh garlands because today was New Year. And the rose and red and yellow roses, they've been looking so beautiful near the feet of each god. And yes, so friends, let's move ahead. Hope you're enjoying the video. I have made a detailed video about Hindu temple when it was inaugurated. That time we had come 2 years back, so you can go in a playlist and check that video also. I have captured all the murtis very nice manner, so I just love that video more because there is more clarity in it, and it was not very restricted then because yeah, it was, the crowd was not much that time compared to today. And yes, you can definitely go there and watch the playlist. All the murtis are there in this Hindu temple, including a small Gurudwara too. So we took darshan and then we are heading outside now. So Simba is in a mood of some masti. And yes, so these are the staircase which will lead you down. There is a lift service available too, so in case your parents are not able to climb the stairs, or if you're a pregnant lady or there are small babies with pram, then they can always take a lift to go on the first floor where the temple is located. So after coming down near the exit area, we got this yummy temple prasad. And yes, this was very similar to the Kada Prasad, just that the Kada Prasad was more with ghee and very warm. This was a bit of dry compared to it, but the taste was very similar, with more of coconut in it. So if you want to try this yummy prasad, do visit this temple. So friends, yes, so this was a tour of Hindu temple. This is a small video. I don't want to make it very long. Do visit the playlist and check the Gurudwara video too. You will love it. And now let's go to the car, and now we'll be heading home. I will be uploading more videos soon. Do subscribe if you are a new viewer. Thank you so much for sticking together. I will see you all soon next week. Till then, take good care. Namaste and bye.
I'm talking syncopated breathing, love every evening, going 365, dancing every night, fading in and out of feeling permanently high. I'm talking you and I, going 365. Sunrise and summer skies, we're never far from home. I'll always keep an eye up on the road. Cheap clubs and coffee cups, oh.